Hey guys, I am Sumit and today I am going to tell you 10 smart ways of how to differentiate between an original Xiaomi power bank and a fake one. Before we start, here's a fun fact for all our Mi fans. Do you know which is the second largest selling power bank brand in India? You guessed it right. It's the fake Xiaomi power banks. And today, we are going to address that particular issue. Here, as you can see, we have gotten some fake Mi power banks from the market today. And if you would have noticed, they come in different sizes and different colors. So talking about colors, the original Mi power banks come in only 3 colors. The classic black, the beautiful white, and the striking red. The 10,000 mAh variant comes in black and red, whereas the 20,000 mAh variant comes only in white. The second easiest way to find out if your Mi power bank is an original or a fake one is to simply find this code here. All you have to do is scratch for the security code here, enter it on mi.com/verify, and if you get a negative response, you have a fake Xiaomi power bank. Well, talking about the brand logo, the Mi logo on the original Xiaomi power bank is an embossed one. Whereas, if you look at the fake Xiaomi power banks which are available in the market today, the logo is not embossed. And you can also scratch it to take it off completely. Additionally, if you look at the bottom of this power bank, the text which is appearing here, if you run your fingers on top of it, you can actually feel all the characters over there. Whereas, if you see a fake Xiaomi power bank, either there is no text which is appearing here, or even if it is, even if you run your fingers, you don't feel anything. At Xiaomi, we stand by our 3 pillars: best specs, great quality at an honest pricing. And with the Mi power banks, we follow the same philosophy. Mi power banks come with lithium polymer batteries, or as you might have seen, called Li-Poly. Li-Poly batteries are the safest batteries as per the industry standards. While we don't want you to attempt this at home, we broke open 2 power banks, a fake one and an original Xiaomi one, just to show you guys how the batteries are placed on the original Mi power bank versus the fake one. As you guys can see, the lithium polymer batteries are securely placed in the Mi power bank. Whereas, if you look at the fake power bank, the batteries are quite loosely placed, which allows the circuits to be more open, causing short circuits, and it can also damage your phone on prolonged usage. The Mi power bank ship with this high quality micro USB cable inside the packaging. If you look at them, they feel quite strong and are made up of high quality material. Whereas if you look at the cables which come with the fake power banks, they're quite flimsy and tend to break quite easily. A lot of people might not know this, but if your eyesight is brilliant, unlike mine, you can actually spot a tiny Mi logo appearing inside the USB port right over here. Speaking about the exterior of the power bank, let's talk about an important element, the LED lights. The LED lights on the original Mi power bank are quite subtle. You can simply check by pressing the power button here and look at the lights over here. Whereas, if you look at the fake power bank, the lights appearing here are quite flashy, and if you look at them for even a few seconds, they will start to hurt your eyes. The original Xiaomi power banks support pass-through charging. For a lot of customers who are not aware of pass-through charging, let us quickly explain that. Imagine a situation where both your devices, the power bank and your smartphone, are out of charge and you have to run out of your house. Now, this is where pass-through charging comes into the picture. You can charge your device connected to the power bank, and you can connect the power bank to your wall socket and simultaneously charge both the devices. This feature is not available on the fake Xiaomi power banks. Last but not the least, let's speak about the power button. If you look at the original Mi power bank, the button here is flushed within the compartment. But if you look at the fake Mi power bank, The button itself here is quite flimsy and is also protruding outside. I am sure that you will be able to identify a fake Xiaomi power bank when you see it next. If you have found any other interesting ways to spot a fake Xiaomi power bank, do let us know in the comment section below. Let us know if you want us to create more such videos on different topics. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon.
Xiaomi.